Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video I'm gonna talk about the upcoming Redmi Note 9. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. My name is Sobik and welcome to Phone Politics. Poco M2 Pro just went live in India. The phone is a rebranded Redmi Note 9 Pro which is available in global markets already. Hence Poco M2 Pro brings one more Redmi Note 9 series model to India. Now the only Note 9 model left is Redmi Note 9, which is the cheapest in the lineup. Thanks to the official teaser, we now know that the Redmi Note 9 is already making its way to India. Back in April, Redmi Note 9 made its debut alongside the Redmi Note 9 Pro. The poster hints a square camera that is present on Redmi Note 9. The phone will be taking on the Realme Narzo 10, which is one of the top phones available in the budget segment. However, we do not know the exact pricing and the launch date of Redmi Note 9, but it is expected that the phone will be getting launched in the third week of July. Expect the Redmi Note 9 to launch at around the 20th of the month. Now let's talk about Redmi Note 9 specification and see what the phone carries. The budget offering from Xiaomi comes with a beautiful 6.53-inch FHD Plus LCD panel. Redmi has opted for Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protecting the display of Note 9. Coming forward to the camera setup, there is a quad camera setup on the rear side. The setup comprises a 48 megapixel primary sensor paired with a 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide, 2 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor, and finally another 2 megapixel macro sensor. Whereas a punch hole notch houses the 13 megapixel f2.25 sensor for selfies. For intensive gaming, Helio G85 chipset is powering the smartphone. The Helio G85 chipset has 2 performance Cortex A75 cores and 6 Cortex A55 cores. For comparison, the Narzo 10 comes with a Helio G80 chipset, and if we compare the both chipsets, the only difference between G80 and G85 is that the G85 GPU has a higher clock rate. The G85 chipset used in Redmi Note 9 is capable of scoring 200,000 onto benchmark app. The European version came with MIUI 11 based on Android 10 out of the box. Likely the Indian variant will also come with MIUI 10 out of the box and later get updated to MIUI 12. Massive 5020 mAh battery is present with a 18-watt fast charging support. 4G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5 and USB Type-C port are some notable features of this device. Will Redmi Note 9 capture the budget market in India? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, then a like will be appreciated. Please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.